In this video, we will learn about user input and output in Python. So, I am writing here new variable that is a, and I am just assigning the value as input with parenthesis. And I am writing some argument here that is enter the name, so that the user can enter their name. I am writing a print statement on the next line and pass the variable a, which is an input function. After that, then I run the code and it asks me for enter the name. And when I write the name here, it will print the name on the terminal. In the same way, I am writing here print statement, in which I make a code of greeting someone. So I am writing a print statement, which consists a string as hello and a as a variable, and in next line, I am writing, how are you? When I run the code, it asks me for again, name on the terminal. Then I am passing here a specific name, that is Convol. And it will greet me with the name as hello. Convol, how are you? As you can see on the terminal. Now in the same way, we can make another programs like now I am going to make a new program, that is to enter the marks of the students of the four variables like B, C, D, and E. Now I am writing a new variable B and I am giving the same input, that is enter marks, in a string format, so that it acts as a string and does not act as an issue. Then I copy the same line of code with Ctrl+C and I paste it twice a times. Now, I am changing the names of the variable as different B, C, D, and E, so that there will be a differentiation. When I write print statement here with all the variables, here I am writing A, B, C, D, and E in the print statement. After writing the statement, when I run the code, it asked me for enter name. That is first line. I am writing her a specific name. Then I add marks of 4 students. Then it will show me like this on the terminal. Thank you.